Right now in the industry, airtightness testing is a very popular, much talked about energy efficiency measure, and more so for larger and larger buildings. Enbridge Gas, they have energy efficiency programs. One of them is to encourage folks to do airtightness testing of their buildings and also do air sealing as part of that.
Airtightness is a really important aspect to high-performance buildings. What you need to ensure is that the building envelope in particular maintains a level of airtightness such that the building can realize the energy performance requirements.
The commercial airtightness testing program provides financial assistance to builders and developers to perform the act of airtightness testing, as well as envelope improvement upgrades.
Often very early on where the air barrier's been installed, but not the interior finishes, there is flexibility to go and poke holes, open things up, redo things at very low cost.
Well, Enbridge Gas provides incentives up to $45,000. We break it into two buckets. The first bucket is $30,000 for airtightness testing. The second bucket is to do additional envelope improvements. We break that into $15,000 or 50% of the cost to do that.
The other aspect is the airtightness testing training that Enbridge subsidizes. So this is intended to actually teach how to undertake this testing.
To be eligible for this program, you need to have a newly constructed building. This includes commercial buildings, institutional, social housing providers, as well as multi-residential.
It's all about bringing along all the buildings to higher performance, and Enbridge sees itself as having a role in that paradigm.